There are two ways to schedule a Google Meet meeting using Google Calendar. First, using the Google Meet homepage. To do this, go to meet.google.com. Click New Meeting and then select Schedule in Google Calendar. Second, using Google Calendar. To do this, go to calendar.google.com. Click Create in the top left and select an event. Or click on an empty time slot to open a new event. Start by adding a title for the meeting. Then, set your meeting day, start time, and duration. And then click Add Guests. You can type names or enter an email address to invite someone. You can also add a description or agenda for the event. To include an attachment, click the Google Drive icon on the left, select your file, and click Insert. When you are done, click Save. When prompted, click Send to email the invitations. Your meeting is now scheduled. For more help, visit the Google Meet Help Center.